Hey ladies, so I'm just going to bed and my lip is so sore. Look. It looks like a duck lip. Oh man. It's really sore. I'm having to like cut up my food really small and drink through straws. They put like a whole meal at the top. Normally have like a meal between two. But for some reason they were like, yeah, let's just put it all at the top. Good morning ladies. My lip has swollen even more than yesterday. It is so sore. I'm going to take some ibuprofen in a bit and hopefully that'll bring the swelling down. Hi ladies. Okay, so it's been a few hours. They have gone down a lot, which is good. They are not as sore. But one of the tips that I do is if you take ibuprofen, it like reduces the swelling a lot. And if you like stretch them out, like smile loads, then it stretches the filler out, which makes me look super weird, but that's literally what I do. Hi ladies! Okay, so it's been over a week now and I just thought I would update you with my lips. They look so much better. So for anyone getting lip fillers, this is what happens. It literally goes really swollen and you panic, and I've never had this happen before and I thought, oh my god, what have I done? I've completely messed up my face, this is going to be awful. But now, they look normal. There's a little bit of a bruise here. And it's funny because when I did my Easter haul, if you go back and have a look, I was trying to hide the fact that I had my lips just done. Because I had to film the video that day, so I was like, oh my god, like I'm just gonna have to do it and I hope no one notices, and no one wrote any comments or anything about it, so thank goodness for that. So here's my hat. It is actually really chilly outside. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want fillers, then obviously be careful and don't get too much on the top lip like I did, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye ladies!